Hello and welcome. I take so many questions about how to start. It's very nice what you make, but please show me how to start. So I will show you now how to start. You will write document class article. You can write document class book, what you want. After you must begin your document and you must end your document. And in the middle, you can write what you want, what it must be in your document. So for example, hello world. And now you are finished. These 3 lines of code, they are very important. Now you can do what you want. So don't forget to save it. And after you can view LateX PDF and see our hello world text. We will look how is it in the web browser. View in web browser. Yes, it works all okay. Thanks for watching and bye.